Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has to beat its predecessor, but it must also take on the best of the 2024 generation. The elephant in the room is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. While it might not be launched until the year's second half, there is always an offset, thanks to the 6-month gap between the Apple and Samsung launches. The S24 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max to compile a comparative render of the two devices. You can see the rounded corners of the iPhone against the angular corners of the Galaxy. The different implementations of iOS and OneUI are visible, although with OneUI being based on Android, a user can easily replace the launcher. Apple users are left with whatever Apple decides for them. The camera is the biggest differentiator, and no doubt where many of 2024's smartphone comparisons will occur. Samsung is expected to upgrade the Galaxy S24 Ultra with a new 50-megapixel x5 telephoto lens, which is on show in the render. That could force Apple's hand to match the Android flagship with its x5 telephoto lens for the 16 Pro Max and potentially the 16 Pro. The first change can be seen in the storage space for the S Pen. Samsung is introducing a new S Pen stylus with the Galaxy S24 Ultra. While it should work with other Galaxy devices, including a storage compartment in the body, reinforces the notion that the Galaxy S and the S Pen are designed to work together. The top of the new S Pen barrel is less rounded than before, meaning the pen will now sit flush with the edges of the Galaxy S24, reducing unwanted ejections. Then, there is the speaker grill. The Galaxy S23 Ultra saw the lower speaker tucked away behind 6 small holes in the case. The Galaxy S24 Ultra has moved towards a single bar cutout. This looks to be a cosmetic decision rather than practical. The S24 Ultra is expected to continue achieving the IP68 rating of the S23 Ultra. I'm curious to see if this aesthetic continues throughout the new handset. You have the volume button. It's often overlooked, too, but the external switches and buttons on any smartphone contribute massively to the tactile feel of the phone. Buttons in awkward places or with poor physical feedback can impact its perception. So it's worth noting Samsung has moved the volume rockers and made the rocker a touch wider and thicker. What you can't see directly is Samsung's move to a titanium chassis, dropping the overall weight of the handset and increasing its strength. That is it, guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.